Hello everyone, let us begin with our ninth experiment, which is analysis of revenue in sales dataset. Create a choropleth map to spot special trends to show state which has highest revenue. Create a line chart to show the revenue based on the month of the year. Create a bin of size 10 for each measure to create new dimensions to show the revenue. Create a donut chart view to show the percentage of revenue per region by creating a zero axis in the calculated field. Create a butterfly chart by revising the bar chart to compare female and male revenue based on per product category. Create a calculated field to show the average revenue per state and display profitable and non-profitable state. And finally, to build a dashboard. So for this experiment, the data set is given in the description. Click on Get Data, go to your Power BI desktop, click on Text or CSV. Select the data, click on Open. Click on Transform Data. Delete the last column which has no values, as you can see. It only has null values. So remove the column. Then click on Close and Apply. Here for me both the data sets are loading because I had previously saved this country's GDP dataset, but for you only one dataset will be loaded. As for me, this dataset is not required. It is required in the next experiment. So I'm going to delete this. Now expand this dataset, expand the filters, and the first question was to create a filled map. So I'm selecting the filled map. Now drag the state because it is based on state and revenue. Drag state into location and then drag revenue into your legend. This will create your map. In case you are not able to see the map, then click on File, go to Options and Settings, go to Options, and in the options go to Security and make sure that this box is ticked. Then click on OK. Then you will be able to see the map along with its colors. Now let us go to the next question, which is to create a line chart. Select a line chart, drag the month field to the x-axis and then drag the revenue field to the y-axis. Now you'll be able to see the line chart. The next question is to create bins. So right click on customer age, click on new group, give the size of bin as 10, click on OK, click on stack column chart and select the newly created customer age bins and drag customer age bins to x-axis. As you can see, it is already dragged. Now drag revenue to y-axis. This will give you your age bins. Now next question is to create a donut chart. Click on donut chart. Once you click on donut chart, drag the state to the legend and then drag the revenue to the values. Now you will be able to see the donut chart. Now to create a zero axis, what you need to do is you need to go to the format pane, then go to details labels, then change the position to inside, and then this ends your fourth question. Now let us go to the fifth question, which is to create a butterfly chart. To create a butterfly chart, you first need to go to modeling, then click on new measure, and you need to give the value as revenue is equal to sum followed by the file name followed by the revenue and then close. Click on commit. As you can see, it's telling me that the name revenue is already taken, so it is asking me to choose a different name. So let me choose the name as revenue sum and commit. Now you will be able to see the revenue sum here as a calculated field. Now let me create another field for male and female. To create for female, the formula would be female revenue is equal to calculate sum of followed by the table name, then revenue, comma, followed by the name again, then based on customer gender, which is equal to females is F and male is M. Click on commit. As you can see, a new female revenue is created here. Now I'll create the male revenue. Let everything be the same. Just customer gender will be M and there will be negative sign before the calculate. Now commit this as well. Once this is done, what you can do is close this, choose a clustered bar chart, and in this clustered bar chart, choose the product category in your y-axis and then choose the male revenue as well as female revenue in your x-axis. This ends your fifth question. Now let us go to the next question, which is to create a calculated field to show the average. For this, go to modeling, click on new measure, give the measure as average revenue per state is equal to average x followed by the table name. Average x values followed by the table name followed by the state, then close this, then calculate sum followed by the table name followed by revenue. Now close the brackets, commit. This will create your average revenue. Go to modeling tab, click on new column. Now create profitability status. is equal to if sales create profitability status, if sales followed by the table name followed by the average revenue per store per state is greater than 1000 comma right profitable, else non profitable. Now commit the change. To display the results, select the table and choose the average revenue state as well as profitability status. Now to get the sum of revenue, click on this field and click on revenue. You will be able to see the sum of revenue. Now if you want to create a slicer, select list slicer, then select the country field here. Now this will give you the slicer. Now all you have to do is you have to arrange all of this properly in the dashboard and you will be done with this 9th experiment. Thank you.